Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about how to store and capture the case resolution for case entity in Customer Service Hub. By defaultly, you cannot able to store and capture the case resolution for case entity. So we are going to resolve this issue using the plugin. For example, I am going to resolve this case. Type the resolution for this case. Resolve. After resolving case, you need to go to my resolved case. You can see here you cannot able to find out the resolution for any cases. So for that we need to create the three field in case entity. Open the advanced settings and click the customization. Customize the system. Expand the entity and you need to choose the case entity. Expand the case entity. In the field you need to create the three field. New total time, total billable time, the billable time, remarks and the resolution. So after creating the field, so now we are going to create the plugin. So you need to create the plugin for resolution. Before creating the plugin, you need the Visual Studio 2019 and the plugin registration tool, and you need to install the packages for your project. So you need to install the Microsoft CRM SDK Core Assembly and Microsoft CRM SDK Core Tools. So you need to install these packages in your code. After installing the packages, so you need to create the plugin for incident entity. So after creating the plugin, so you need to create the assembly for this plugin. Right click the project, click the properties and create the new strong name key file. So click here and create new, type the resolution, give the password, click OK. After created assembly, so you need to build your project. Now build is successed. I have given the link in my description section. You can find out the code. Just copy the DLL file. So we are going to register this DLL into our instance. So open the plugin registration tool and sign in your account. After opening your instance, so we are going to register the assembly. Click the register new assembly and copy the your build path and paste here. So load assembly, so click register. So one assembly was a register, click OK. So now we are going to create steps for this assembly. Create new steps. Message is create. Primary entity is incident resolution. Choose the pre-operation and register your plugin. So now you have successfully registered your plugin in your instance. So now we are going to test the resolution for our instance. So click my active case. So I don't have the any cases. I'm going to assign case. So I have assigned the case myself. So I'm going to check this one. You can see here I have one cases. In these cases I am going to resolve. So type the resolution and give the billable time. Click resolve. So now we are going to check my resolved case. Now you can see here. So the case number 28644. So the resolution is saved. Thanks for watching.